Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be making a brief unboxing of the Galaxy A53 5G HIJKL. I'm just kidding. Well, let's begin. Actually, I'm gonna have to tell you that this is like a fake unboxing because I already opened it. I've been using it for around like 2 months. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like so we can keep growing and growing up as a channel. Well, to begin this, in the $400 range phone. Okay, let's open the box. As you can see, here is the phone. Pretty, that's a pretty color. Then we have more manuals. All phones have, and where's the charger? Oh, I forgot it. Oh my god, Samsung, please stop copying iPhone's bad things, like taking out the charger of our boxes. I also forgot to tell you that we have a small cable in here. It's a USB-C type cable to a normal USB. When you buy your phone, this is all that you're gonna find. Okay, as we don't have much things in the box, I'm gonna have to tell you some brief specs about this phone. We have a 189 gram phone. It's not that heavy. I mean, it's not that big, but it feels very good on hand. We have IP67 water and dust resistant. We have a plastic body, but it doesn't feel like plastic. And the good thing about this is there isn't any prints on the body. We have a 6.5-inch display, AMOLED type. It's a 120 hertz display, means that it will be refreshing the screen 100 times per second. So that means it will be very, very fluent. Okay, I think we all know this is an Android phone. It's running on Android 12, and we're supposed to have like 2 years of refreshing on Android, but let's wait for that. We can record videos up to 4K 30 FPS or 1080p up to 30 and 60 FPS. Okay, and in the front we have a small selfie camera that's going to be 32 megapixels. Okay, and what do we have around? We have this on and off button, the 2 volume buttons. On the top we don't have anything, on the other side we don't have anything, and bottom we have the small SD card slot. We have the speakers. We have a speaker down here and another speaker on the top. I don't know if you can actually see it. It's here. And as you know, Samsung and many important brands have been taking out the jack slot, so we don't have any jack slots. So this slot works as a charging port and also to connect our, well, I think that actually nobody uses more wire headphones. Most of them are like Bluetooth, but that's it. That's what we have on our box, and this is our phone. Keep up with the video, and I will be uploading a small review about this phone. I hope you liked the video, and as I told you, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe so we can keep growing as a channel. Thank you. That's everything for now.